Hello, and welcome back to another day in my regular life. How are y'all doing today? Happy Sunday. I hope everybody's doing wonderful. We're on our way right now to his mom's house because today is her birthday. And today is her birthday, so we're going to take her out to eat. And then we're driving separate cars because he has to go to work, of course, after. And because I'm going to my best friend's house afterwards so we can finally get this business like up and running. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Sorry, these glasses are so dirty, but I'm tired of squinting. Oh, so much better. But yeah, so after I get down at my friend's house, I'm gonna come home, do the clothes and stuff, and then I have to edit because I was supposed to edit like 2 days ago and I didn't. I have to edit and get a video out tonight.
Miss Karen, take these fat trays up. Don't y'all know I had to sit down there 15 minutes to put the rest of stuff on? He ate that he dropped his food. I said, what was this on the ground? I said, did you pick it up? He said, no. I didn't left it. But I can go out just get away from the place. Yeah. Firehouse number 15. Baby.
Oh.
Was this the old firehouse? I know they moved a new one over there behind us.
Was it?
Yeah, it is. Historic firehouse number 15.
That's 15
And
right
it
here.
kind of gives off a fire station.
It does now.
Look.
And they build it right behind the Anderson.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I watched and did build it. Yeah, they did it in our senior year.
Oh, man.
What is it?
I can't breathe.
I thought you were going to say, I'm going to say they're going to bring it for in 30 minutes. Want my inhaler?
Nah, it ain't the... I ain't got no room to
You want my inhaler?
It ain't that.
Lou Van called a med inhaler. Need my med inhaler?
I just ain't got enough room.
You fool. Rachel, what you going to get when he get fat?
He is fat. What you mean when he gets fat?
I ain't used to seeing him like that. I imagine he is miserable.
Both of us ain't used to all this weight on
I
us.
seen my belly in them.
But you know what? They say that's what that'll do for you.
Well, I told him to make me miserable for about 6 months. I'll be back right.
Yeah, that's
Skinny
yeah.
again.
I had got a key lime one time. It was straight, you know what I'm saying?
No.
But that coconut, you know, that's my cake.
Hey y'all, here are my best friends in high school. Her name Reese. Say hey. Hi. Now I barely walked out her house and look what she got me doing because I'm taller than her. I have to change the light bulb.
This is one of the perks of being friends with a tall person. Or else we gonna be in the dark. See, look, man, look, I got something for you though.
Oh, she got something for me.
I have a sister. Now look at here. Yeah.
So kind.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna make sure you stay.
Oh Lord. We need
Oh shit. We gotta use tools.
Oh no. I was trying to do the wrong thing.
We might. Okay. You know how they had a little screw?
Oh, hold on. Let me see. I don't know if this is all the way screwed or if we got that little thing you're talking about. Let's see.
No, look, you see 4 little points, screws? Or whatever. Girl, I got something for that. But we don't have to do it. Look at you. Just handy. I got you.
Let's do this on. Poke.
Look, hop on that shit. I probably should have turned the light off.
You good. How we gonna know? I'll be pissed off if I do all this, put it back on and appear to look. The bulb don't work.
Girl, I can't even see the screws. It would have just been useless.
Shit, I ain't no damn screws up here.
I ain't it, girl. I can start using the lamp over there. Oh, you gotta come out first.
Yeah.
Tighty righty, lefty loosey.
Come on now. There we go.
Oh shit. See, I ain't want you to work that hard. You blind yet?
No, I'm trying not to do that. Get the light. I really am.
Cause I am. How all of them just tighten up as soon as you take them off?
But just a minute ago. There we go. Dang.
Look, they want to come in.
Daddy!
Yes, ma'am. Please go check on the dogs outside, please. Huh? Go check on the dogs.
Okay.
Just check on them. I know you hear them knocking.
And they say, I know you hear me out here.
Okay. Girl, I swear I can touch that. We're like, I got it.
There we go.
Alright, I'm gonna get them some water because I think they're thirsty.
Girl, baby, they just got out there.
They just know somebody in here.
That's all. You leave Beyonce out there, though. She gonna hate that. Oh, she gonna come back in and she gonna be quiet.
She probably like, do y'all know who I am?
I am. Sasha.
Her dogs' names are Beyonce and Aretha.
Yeah, divas. The divas.
I can get it.
All right, well, thank you. And
I don't know you do something fall.
Same on. Okay, it's this one.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna come back to y'all because I want y'all to see still our business plan.
Oh, damn lamp.
Look at the baby. Her name is Aretha. Yes, she is. I mean, she ain't no baby, but she big one. Do you know the camera here? They're trying to tell you this way. She come with it. Look at the baby. Oh my goodness. It's a pretty girl. Got the prettiest gray eyes.
Look,
you know, we pit bull lovers over here.
Look, my neighbor, they love seeing her coming. And I'm like, that's the opposite.
Yeah, most people hate to see pit bulls coming. But then they realize pit bulls.
They know she gonna lick them. She wanna go over the gate with them. They'll stand at the gate and just pet and pet on them.
Look at them eyes. It's so pretty eyes. I feel like pit bulls have human eyes on them.
I always think they can talk.
Yeah. Like they be wanting to say
Especially
it.
when they trying to tell you something. She'll talk to you though, but it's, you know it's a whine. But I'm waiting on her voice. I'm gonna hear it. I bet it's real proper.
I was just about to say, it's mine. It's mine.